depending on the flexibility of your workplace. Right now, the entire workplace is our home, so there's a lot of flexibility. But even when lockdown gets over, we get back to office. You can allocate time for personal goals during office hours and vice versa. Okay, what do I mean by that? Hey, like I have been sitting here for a long time, yeah, and we do that in the office. So if I have a personal goal of staying healthy, I will spend every 1 hour, every 2 hours, can I spend 2-3 minutes on my so-called personal goal, which is my health goal, and do some small exercises. Okay, just stretch my hands, just stretch my feet, just stand up, turn my back, twist my back, and do some exercise. Now, it doesn't mean you bring a yoga mat tomorrow in the office and start doing 2 hours yoga in the office. That is not what I mean by achieving personal goals during office hours. Okay, but little time you can spend. What other personal goals can we have? What about family goals, social goals? My friend's mother is sick in the hospital. Can I take 2 minutes and quickly give him a call and say, hey, how's your mother, Ramesh? Is there anything I can do? Blah blah blah. That is your family goal or social goal. Sorry, in this case, social goal. You want to maintain good relationship with Ramesh, and you're using your office time. That is fine as long as you don't spend 3 hours trying to help Ramesh's mother during your office hours. You better take a half day, put a leave and then go and do that. Okay, you using office time to do that is not fulfilling personal goals during office hours. That's not what I mean. Okay, it is fine to do some small research for your daughter's school project. What is not appropriate is that you spend 2 hours, okay, in the office downloading stuff from office internet, pictures, and taking some color printouts and putting them together for a school project for your daughter. That is inappropriate. But spending a few minutes here and there talking to somebody about help, how he or she can help your daughter fulfill the school project, that is fine. Similarly, when we talk about home goals, okay, or office goals during during non-office hours, okay, it is completely okay if you have to complete an official report at night when you're at home, or report after office hours. Look at certain urgent emails on weekends. As long as again you don't use, you come home and then again you're sitting on the laptop for 2 hours during your personal time. That is not acceptable. Your personal time is to be devoted to your friends and family and relatives, okay, not to office. So as long as you maintain a balance, it is perfectly all right. Okay, as long as you don't go extreme in either case, this is completely normal.